and welcome back. My name is Daniela, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sew balloon skirt. This skirt is, as you see, so have volume on the bottom part of it. Here you can see, and include sew-on lining. And thanks to this lining sew to the upper part of the skirt, you have this beautiful voluminous balloon skirt type with elasticated waistband. So don't worry, it won't be too tight in your waist or snatching your belly too strong. And of course, it includes sides pockets, so you can hide your keys or whatever you like to hide in pockets. If you want, you can use my free PDF pattern for this skirt. You can download it from Refashion.com, or you can draw your own pattern using your own body measurements, as I showed in my previous video. So here, you can link is in the description box. You can check it and watch it. And of course, this skirt, as you see, I made from old carton. On skirt, I use old bed sheet. Is, as you see, two different structures. This one is more stiff and this one is more delicate. So remember, when you use different types of fabrics, you will have different types of results. So make that on your mind. Have that in your mind. As you see, this skirt, as I show, is a bubble skirt because it's have this less voluminous part of the bottom, not like this one. I made some small change for this skirt, so you will see this in the previous video. If you want to learn more sewing tips, tricks, go to my site sparrowfashion.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and let's begin!
I'm not in control of myself. I can't be responsible for Pamela, so I'm really sure where she's at, because I could have gotten nothing but conflicting, contradictory mixed messages from her. I love you too. Never satisfaction, you know?
No, there was a restraining order in place. The two would secretly guard their boo and try to reconcile their relationship. After months of trying, though, there was no hope. It was done. Make those issues, obviously, I need to resolve myself before I can handle it.